Did Meghan Markle steal this one-pan spaghetti recipe? A pasta expert weighs in. When it comes to pasta, few can rival the expertise of Danny Freeman, a beloved pasta maker, who has recently stirred the pot with his thoughts on Meghan Markle's much-discussed one-pot spaghetti dish. In the debut episode of her Netflix series, With Love, Meghan, the Duchess of Sussex introduced viewers to her unique take on skillet spaghetti. Instead of the traditional method of boiling pasta in a large pot of salted water, Meghan opts for a simpler approach. She pours 3 cups of boiling water over raw spaghetti and other ingredients, then covers it with a lid. This unconventional method has sparked debate, especially with claims that Meghan may have stolen the idea from culinary icon Martha Stewart. Interestingly, just a month before Meghan's show aired, Martha updated her own one-pan pasta recipe, adding a cheeky note that read, "The original and the best." This led many to speculate whether Martha was subtly calling out Meghan. In a recent Instagram clip, Danny addressed these swirling rumors head-on. "I received tons of comments suggesting that Meghan copied her viral one-pot pasta recipe from Martha Stewart," he shared. He then pointed out the timing of Martha's recipe update, asking, "Did Martha know something? She is quite influential, after all." However, after diving into both recipes, Danny quickly dismissed the idea of any culinary theft. Right off the bat, the recipes have a lot of differences, he noted. While both dishes utilize a one-pot method, Meghan's version is packed with greens and a splash of lemon, setting it apart from Martha's. Danny suggested that Meghan might have drawn inspiration from Martha, but emphasized, every recipe builds on others. Martha Stewart didn't invent one-pot pasta, and I think Meghan's recipe is different enough to be considered her own. After trying both dishes, Danny offered his verdict. "I would never come for Martha Stewart, she's a legend. But I really liked what Meghan did with this technique." He concluded, "Once again, I'm siding with Meghan Markle. I don't think she did anything wrong." Many fans echoed his sentiments, with one commenting, "I don't understand why people think she claimed the recipe as her own. She just said she makes it. It's crazy how much people criticize her for nothing." In a twist, Danny also compared Meghan's dish to Kate Middleton's mac and cheese. He made it clear that he didn't want to pit the two royal women against each other. But after his video on Meghan's pasta went viral, he discovered that Kate is also a pasta lover. While he didn't have Kate's exact recipe, he referenced an interview where she shared her children's favorite meals. Danny gave Kate's mac and cheese a thumbs up, saying, "I could totally see a royal child enjoying this, it's delicious." He added, "If you're a princess with chefs at your disposal, but want to whip up a family dinner, this is a quick and easy option." Known on Instagram as Danny Loves Pasta, Danny has gained a following for his creative takes on Italian cooking, including whimsical ravioli shaped like Taylor Swift and beloved cartoon characters like Bluey. With his engaging personality and passion for pasta, it's no wonder he's become a go-to source for all things pasta-related.